Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean with Top Speed Pro and Performance here in Addison, Texas. Today we're going to be talking about the Ferrari California exhaust. So this exhaust is all T304 stainless steel. You can see that we've got all mandrel bends, all TIG welded. This is all handmade in our factory. We're also going to talk a little bit about the installation of this exhaust. So you can see that this is the proper placement of the exhaust. You've got the smaller tube on the top, the larger tube, the valve tube on the bottom. So this is going to be the driver's side. So once you install this in, you'll see that we've got these two bolts on here on the back. These fit into the factory mounting bracket, which has slots. So this will go into one long slot, and that slot is made to be adjustable so that you can adjust this and get the right fit. So you can see here we've got the factory tips. So you see these fit right in here. You want to have enough clearance to fit these in perfectly right in the center. That's why these are made to be adjustable. So you'll also see that we've got V-band clamps here. So this is only 6 pounds, guys. So this is less than half the weight of the factory exhaust, which is over 30 pounds. So the V-band clamp here is actually enough to fully support the weight of this exhaust on both sides. But if you need to get these in, these are adjustable. For whatever reason, if you can only get one bolt in that slot for the factory mount, that's fine. That'll hold it. Let's say that you can't get either of these to line up for some reason. If not, that's no problem too. You can completely remove those factory brackets and not even use these, and you can have fully supported weight with the V-band clamp right here. But the key is to make sure you've got clearance for your for the valve actuator, as well as to get these lined up perfectly. And it's going to be the same on this side. It's the exact same installation. Another cool thing about this is this does not require a bumper removal. If you remove the wheels, obviously you're going to have this car up on a lift. You remove the wheels, you can actually pull out the factory bumper and the factory muffler, the factory exhaust outside the side of the car without having to remove the bumper, which is necessary on a lot of these exotic cars. So once you get those removed, these are relatively easy to install. This also comes with a pretty long vacuum hose as well. So if that's necessary, if you need a longer hose, that comes with it as well. So we hope that this helps you guys to understand how to install the exhaust on the California. We appreciate you watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos from Top Speed.